So the Breakthrough Award celebrates UK startups who are playing a really meaningful role in sustainability in aerospace and who are demonstrating cutting-edge, innovative technologies and bringing those to market. There were some great companies that applied to this category and there was some really stiff competition, but WAM3D stood out because of the innovative nature of their solution, because they really are pushing the boundaries of additive manufacturing within aerospace and because of the sustainability element. I think it's a really exciting company and I can't wait to see what the future brings for them. So congratulations to WAM3D and the whole team.
So we're a company that does 3D metal printing systems or additive manufacture, but they are designed for very large-scale engineering parts. So WAM3D products and systems are going to provide a major benefit in terms of cost and sustainability for the aerospace sector. In particular, we can reduce the cost of machining from forgings, but also we drastically reduce the amount of material that's going to be utilised to make individual components. And this has major benefits in terms of the amount of material and energy that's consumed to make that material. To win an award such as the ATI Hub Breakthrough, it felt fantastic actually, because it's been a long journey over 16 years, really recognises what we've been doing and makes us feel what we've been doing is worthwhile, and we can see that we're nearly getting to the finishing line of getting these products onto aircraft structures.